Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to deploy VyOS on AWS. 2 NICs, 1 public IP, SSH ready. Let's get started. Step 1. Create the VPC. First, your isolated environment in AWS, a brand new VPC with our own CIDR block. Step 2. Create the 2 subnets. 2 subnets, 2 roles. The WAN faces the internet, the LAN stays private. Step 3. Create and attach the Internet Gateway. The Internet Gateway is your VPC's door to the outside world. Without it, nothing leaves the network. Step 4. Route table for the WAN subnet. Point the WAN's traffic to the world with a single default route. Step 5. Create the security group. Your firewall, your rules, SSH for you, internal traffic for the VPC, Step 6. Allocate the elastic IP. A public IP, that's yours to keep. Step 7. Launch the EC2 instance with VyOS. Time to spin up our VyOS instance on AWS. Step 8. Associate the elastic IP to ETH0. We will attach the public IP directly to the WAN interface. Be sure to select Network Interface, not Instance. In route tables, we verify the association with the WAN interface's subnet. The final step is the final test. We'll connect to the router over SSH to confirm that VyOS is alive and running. That's all for today. See you in the next video.